Catholic bishops have dismissed Constitutional Amendment Bill number 3 as a demonstration of nothing but unquenchable greedy of corrupt Zim politicians and the elite, a piece of legislation that subverts the will of the people. Sarabina mashkobranyo kapangwa ile against the strong Catholic statement on the bill. But what has happened to the bishops? Don't subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tipina panapa the mira mashkono branyo chiti. This is one of the strongest statements by the church against government in many years. However, those who attend Catholic masses on Sunday would wonder whether this is still the same bishops' conference that stood and directly confronted Ian Douglas Smith during the colonial period, the same that shook Mugabe during the Kukuraundi and subsequent violent elections in 2002, 2005, 2008, leading to international interventions. That the same church which reached every corner of the country to stop such proposed repressive pieces of law. Catholic bishops and priests of the old would defend the poor, the voiceless, the downtrodden with their very own lives. They would go into hot areas. They would embark on international campaigns and force meetings with the likes of Smith and Mugabe. Shocking today is that historic document, like last week, the statement was mentioned in church masses on Sunday, just in passing, and in other priests. There was no mention at all. The bishop's statement must not just be a formality, it is a divine. The bishop's statement was so highly regarded that it was not only translated into vernacular languages and posted on notice boards, but formed the main teaching of the Sunday Mass in 2008. The bishop's statement on political violence was read out in the churches for several weeks. We remember courageous and independent bishops like Bishop Patrick Chakaiba, Bishop Donald Lamond, Father Henry Kalen, Bishop P.S. Nube, Father Mutume, Bishop Schools, and Bishop Louis Henry. In 2008, priests risked life and limb talking and explaining Bishop's message on violence to all corners of the country. Being shepherds on behalf of the Lord Jesus Christ is not a walk in the park. It is a heavy cross to carry. Catholic bishops call themselves shepherds. Where in the Bible did you see shepherds running away from wolves? David was a shepherd, courageous and strong. Jesus was the greatest shepherd. He did not spend his time in a monastery. He was out there with the flock, confronting taxpayers, the rich, Jews, etc. He defended people with his own life. Toma developments are pangwa inwe. Chonekoma Catholic bishops achiyapangwa inachidefenda magari venyika yeZimbabwe vachiti these amendments aiwa kwakuenda pangwa inwe akusiriko. Let us defend our constitution. Pina comment section medu mzawanguro enyu uri kudii pamusoro pe the statement by the Catholic bishops. So subscribe or like our channel on the bell icon.